What's going on, guys? I'm Alex Hunter, this is HP Builds, and today we are giving some love to Henry here. Henry is our pulling mule for the race trailer and the four-wheelers and all the fun we go have, and he is so quiet, and I have not liked it since the day I got Henry. Now, I wanted to get the exhaust done on this truck a long time ago. I just never got around to it, and my brother-in-law decided he was going to start a tradition because this is the second time he's done this. Went out for Christmas and got me a Super 44 Flowmaster and a 5-inch exhaust tip for this truck. I'm not gonna lie to you, these boxes, they're empty. There's nothing in them because I've actually already put this system on and it sounds absolutely amazing. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna jump around the back of this truck, go see what we've got, how it's set up and all that, and then we're gonna put some miles down and actually make some noise. I will also leave a link in the description below to the muffler and the tip if you guys are interested in doing this on your truck, because I promise you, once I fire this thing up, you guys are going to be hooked and want to do it yourselves. So let's jump here to the back of the truck and go take a look. All right, guys, don't get me on the tires. These are actually Dad's. I swapped him to go to Michigan. That way we can take his truck. It's a little bigger. He is running a test on these tires to see just how long they'll actually last now. Right now, I think he's got somewhere around 75,000 on them, and they're in rough shape, but they're still rolling. So anyways, here's the setup. We've got the Flowmaster right down in here, sitting flat. Comes out, goes up, and comes to this ginormous tip, which looks big when you're down here. But when you actually jump back away from the truck, it's not that big. It actually looks really good on this truck. I love the black. And one thing you will see up here is we actually started, we started at the collector, deleted the resonator, went straight into the muffler. Deleting the resonator, in my opinion, is what these trucks really need because it makes them actually sound like a V8. If you leave it on there, this is going to be a lot quieter and nowhere near as enjoyable to you driving it or people that you fly by. So let's get this thing fired up and go put some miles down. Alright guys, so I know the next question, the biggest question about any exhaust system is how loud is it in the cab? Right now we're cruising at about 40, doing about 1900 RPMs, and I'm sitting here talking in a normal voice. It's not very loud. If my fiance was in the car, we could have a full-on conversation. I will say she'd probably fall asleep after a long ride because it does have a nice rumble coming into the truck. When the windows are down, you can hear every bit of what you guys just heard, and it sounds amazing in my opinion. I love the Super 44s. I've ran them on my old truck, my dad's truck. I've ran it on a Mustang before, and I have no complaints on that muffler. It sounds really good. It actually gets quiet when you really rev it up, because it just starts blowing through. And that's actually what I like. When you're downshifting up a hill towing a trailer, it's not just screaming exhaust noise at the guy you're trying to pass. It sounds halfway decent though. And guys, I will leave, like I said earlier, a link in the description below for this setup. That way you guys can get it. I really am proud of this setup. It sounds really nice in my opinion. And I don't know why people bash the Flowmasters. I know a lot of guys like the MagnaFlows, and I have nothing against MagnaFlow. I've just never ran them. And I've always ran the Flowmasters, had good luck with them. They hold up really well, and all around they're a decent muffler for the money you pay, and they sound really nice. Can you beat that? I really like the Flowmasters, especially when you put them as far back as I did. If you noticed, I went behind the cab. I went actually under the bed. And I did that because any drone is going to go straight through the bed, not come straight into the cab. What that does, as you can tell, it leaves a nice calm tone coming into the cab that isn't just brain rattling. It's enjoyable. You can throw your fiance in the truck, drive however far I want, and she's not going to be mad wishing I got a quieter exhaust. She will all around like the system just like I do. Stock on these trucks, in my opinion, is terrible. It is way too quiet, and I don't know, I guess I'm different. I guess some guys want a truck that comes out quiet from the factory. I want to know what's under the hood. I don't want to have people guessing if I have an EcoBoost or the 5.0. I want them to know. This takes care of that. So guys, I'm going to end this video here, and we will see you guys in just a few days when we bring the trailer back over here and we do renovation 2.0 to this trailer and give it new cabinetry, new lighting. I don't know, the list goes on. It's a lot longer than that. You guys will see in the next video, and I hope you guys come and watch. Thanks for watching. See you later. Goodbye.